Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by inviting the Lofi bot and granting the exact permissions it needs. Once invited, create a dedicated voice channel and set a stable bitrate. This reduces dropouts. Make sure the bot role sits above any restricted roles so it can join and manage audio. Now open the server and test a basic ping or status command to confirm connection. If that responds, you're ready to move to playback. Use the bot's play command in the text channel tied to your voice room. Once the bot is in the voice channel, cue music with play followed by a track, playlist, or YouTube link. You can append multiple items to build a queue. Configure playback. Set volume, enable loop or shuffle, and apply filters to match Lofi warmth. If you need consistent control, restrict playback commands to a DJ role or a single text channel. Make sure users know the correct prefix and command syntax. This avoids accidental interruptions and keeps the listening session stable and predictable. To finish, verify the audio quality by checking voice region, bot latency, and server bitrate. Adjust if you hear distortion. If playback stalls, try the bot's reconnect or restart command, or have a moderator kick and re-invite it to reset permissions. Once done, teach moderators to manage the queue and use skip or clear commands to recover quickly. If nothing helps, gather error messages and re-invite the bot. This usually resolves token or permission conflicts without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.